What is the role of coordinator in school? In a school setting, a coordinator typically refers to an individual who oversees and coordinates specific programs, activities, or departments within the school. The role of a coordinator may vary depending on the context and the specific needs of the school, but here are a few common roles that coordinators may fulfill. Curriculum coordinator. A curriculum coordinator is responsible for developing, implementing, and evaluating the school's curriculum. They work closely with teachers to ensure that the curriculum aligns with educational standards, promotes effective teaching strategies, and meets the needs of the students. Special education coordinator. A special education coordinator is responsible for overseeing the provision of special education services within the school. They work with teachers, parents, and other professionals to identify students with special needs, develop individualized education plans, IEPs, and ensure that appropriate support and accommodations are provided. Extracurricular activities coordinator. This coordinator is in charge of organizing and managing extracurricular activities such as sports, clubs, competitions, and events. They collaborate with teachers, students, and external organizations to plan and schedule activities, coordinate logistics, and ensure a safe and enriching experience for participants. Admissions coordinator. An admissions coordinator is responsible for managing the school's admissions process. They handle inquiries from prospective students and parents, facilitate the application and enrollment process, conduct interviews or assessments, and provide information about the school's programs and policies. Assessment coordinator. An assessment coordinator oversees the assessment and evaluation processes within the school. They coordinate standardized testing, monitor the collection and analysis of student data, and collaborate with teachers and administrators to use assessment results for instructional improvement. International Programs Coordinator. In schools that offer international programs, such as exchange programs or International Baccalaureate (IB) programs, an International Programs Coordinator manages and coordinates these initiatives. They liaise with partner schools or organizations, handle administrative tasks related to international students, and ensure compliance with program requirements. These are just a few examples of the various roles that coordinators may hold in a school. The specific responsibilities and duties can vary depending on the size of the school, the educational level, example, elementary, middle, high school, and the organizational structure of the school. Professional Development Coordinator. A professional development coordinator is responsible for organizing and facilitating professional development opportunities for teachers and staff. They identify training needs, arrange workshops or seminars, invite guest speakers, and ensure that educators have access to resources and support for their continuous growth. Student Support Services Coordinator. This coordinator focuses on providing support services to students who require additional assistance. They collaborate with teachers, counselors, and parents to identify students in need, develop intervention plans, coordinate support services such as tutoring or counseling, and monitor student progress. Technology Coordinator. A technology coordinator oversees the integration and use of technology in the school. They manage computer systems, software applications, and network infrastructure. They provide technical support to teachers and students, facilitate training on educational technology tools, and ensure the effective use of technology for teaching and learning. Community Engagement Coordinator. A community engagement coordinator works to strengthen the relationship between the school and the wider community. They develop partnerships with local organizations, plan community events, coordinate volunteer programs, and promote parental involvement in school activities. Health and Safety Coordinator. This coordinator ensures the safety and well-being of students and staff by implementing health and safety protocols. They develop emergency response plans, conduct safety drills, oversee health services, coordinate with external agencies, and promote a healthy and safe learning environment. Student Affairs Coordinator. A student affairs coordinator focuses on enhancing the overall student experience and fostering a positive school culture. They may oversee student clubs and organizations, coordinate student leadership programs, plan student events, and address disciplinary matters in collaboration with administrators. It's important to note that the specific roles and titles of coordinators can vary across schools and educational systems. The responsibilities assigned to a coordinator can also evolve and adapt based on the changing needs and priorities of the school community.